Hayi ngathi umuntu angatholi energy yo hayi wathola imofaya something ngale athi amayifiki nakunini. Wait. Imala. Siqale fund iqale futhi.
Sabona. Sure. Ukhona futhi. Sure. Sanibona bafethu igama lami Dr. Sibongisama Umsitene. This is Naga Broadcast Show Morning Drive.
Hayi bangusekusini ngoyo. Hayi.
Noma banginini siyafika. Ulele kusemini kusebusuku siyafika. Uyazi ukuthi artist vele anytime siyafika kuwe sizokulanda futhi. Siyafika. Sure. Udini lapha.
Ngirene.
Ngathi ukwatile nje indaba.
Angikwatanga mama.
Awukwatanga.
Hayi ngithi ngiyakhohle ukuthi kumele ngiboleke le out yami.
Yo bafethu uvusa ngazi ukuthi ngizomthola indaba but anyway ngathi nguye lo wena bafethu uyaku ngihambe ngekuwe ola what's it asiphinde sahlangana ntwana
Amalusheshile nodaba rawa ngingophuza manje
hayi bangaphuza ngamanje hawo
uthe uyabuya manje ngithi
yeah wena kana
ungathi ngathi ngiyantshana
ngikhaduvu
hayi benginawo manje imali uthane ngivuka kanjani yini sokhohlile
hayi ngabuza
hayi
ngikhaduvu na
angivuka akha isikhani ngivuka manje ngishiye lapha wathi yabuya ngathi yopolisi sengibonisa uyangena
yeah
hayi mali mama
no but anyway asabe say lapha because of ngifuna ukuthi something but ngizokuthola like something labona uzohamba ungena lapha mina ngiyeza ngiyazwakala manje but ngizafuna ukulanda something lapha
akunankinga mama
ukulanda something lapha angikhambi ngizobe kuphatha izinto ezingangani mara ngazwakala
kodwa mana nzinanzi ya ngithanda amasweet kodwa nami ngingabakhohlela amasweet
sure
ama-chips manje ithi ama-sweet ama-chips lapho
yebo futhi igama lami Dr. Sibongisama Umsitene bafethu. This is my SABC TikTok Umnaga Broadcast Show Morning Drive. La khona bafethu ngizokhuluma ne-guy called Yokwenzakalani bafethu uzongitshela bafethu uzongicela angineza umlando wakhe bafethu ukuthi yena ucela kanjani bafethu up until afika kulesigaba lekakiso manje as I'm talking with you baba kunjani lapha
angikhona malume wami sabonga for ukuthi ubuyile futhi malume
so angitshela like for example angicocela like tshela abantu ukuthi wena ubani igama lakho li straight igama lakho not igama lemculo igama lakho straight
igama lami ngovusi isibongo ngakacwabe
Vusi Cwabe so then okay right Vusi Cwabe like angitshela like for example ngoba ngiyabona like bayalokubhala ukuthi yokwenzakalani ngicela ungicocele ngayo uqala before singena deep down angicocela ayokwenzakalani ukuthi yini
yokwenzakalani ithathe ingoma yami
alright okay
then nebrand yami
okay ithathe ingoma yakho unalezo zethu phela
nalezo zethu phela
okay right that's wonderful so angicocele like ngale ngoma ngifuna like ungicocele ngale ngoma like ukuthi kuzoba ingoma kusukela kuphi kanjani ungicocele just unginikeza istory sekhona
okay ingoma le isuke ngo-2023 isukela eKings Palace esithama umamami wakavula ibhizinisi lapha athengisa umamami akavula ibhizinisi kanje one of my friend uzama Mfukeng then wafika kimi wathi ndoda uvula ibhizinisi ngathi no I didn't open a business this is my mom business ngathi ngolami yo ndoda then litanyana mina ngathatha igama lithi yo ngicreate ngathi yo kwenzakala ngizibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani yabo then ngacabanga ngathi hayi man let me create this name kube logo then later ngafonela umngane wami uBin Music one of my producer musician ngathi ngiyasenza ingoma ithi yo kwenzakalani then yaqala kanjalo iyo kwenzakalani uzicala in 2023 qala eKings Palace ibhizinisi kamamami umngane wami uzama uBin Music uzama
kahle umngane wakho like uwaqala ingoma just because of uve yena athi yo kwenzakalani.
No, uzama uthi yo uvula ibhizinisi na.
Oh.
Into engithathe laphana yiyo. Bese kwenzakalani mhlawumbe ngikhenze ngizibuza mangihamba. Kwenzakalani manje? Umntwana azongibuza kanje. Yabo ngahlanza ngathani yo kwenzakalani.
So manje ne because of sengibona like emaphepheni bangithi ngafunda sometimes akuruleni Oliphant like amaphepha different khona manje ngibona enye iphepha ngasikudala like awungitshela ukuthi lamaphepha like mawusephepheni basuka bathine labantu ngawo.
Amaphepheni singakhuluma ngento engizenza music wami.
Yeah.
Namakhulu wami engiwenza ama-crew dancers.
Yeah.
Sibakhuluma ngento ezinjalo. Amaphepheni ngikhuluma amaningi. Thembiseni.
Yeah.
Babizwa ngokuthi Captain Park Express. Then ngaphuma the Oliphant.
Yeah.
Bese kuRuleni. Bese lamanje bephuma ngama-crew dancers nase Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Alikhulumi ngami khuluma ngama-crew dancers.
Alright. Yo ngizofika lapha kule crew dancers but kumanje ngifuna ukuvisisela like ukuthi lo music so ngwapha ama challenges ohlangana nawo kulo music ama challenges a bad one the bad challenges ama bad one.
The bad one ukuthi abantu abasubscribe ukuqala. Abasubscribe.
Okay right. Sorry to hold on. So wena macabanga ukuthi bangasubscribe why?
I don't know. Manje bakunike reason I don't know ngiyabhala emaphepheni ukuthi ingoma miphumile come and subscribe. Yabo. If umuntu afuna subscribe lasho phela kunamba mengishila ngibami lapha. Nike feedback ku WhatsApp ukuthi vusa ingoma yakho sizwe ngathi ayikho right yini. Don't just uthule uthi do. Mina ngikwazi ukuthi yini into eyenza ukuthi ngasubscribe. Ngikwazi ukukhuphula izinga lami.
Okay right. So ama challenges loba nayo ukuthi abantu abasubscribe into your music. So for you to make people ukuthi abasubscribe into your music like yini into efuna bayenze ukuze basubscribe into your music.
Ukuthi mina ngenza ama-dance challenge.
Yeah.
Mina ngenza ama-dance challenge ukuthi okay ngibona abantu ukuthi ingoma yami iyahamba ke. Ngamanje ngiposte boom. Yandlula ingoma. Ngiyabona ukuthi ingoma le trend iyahamba izana into ezinjalo lapho. Noma mabheke emaphepheni basho ukuthi asayibona ingoma kaVusiwe kwenzakalani. Yachubeka abantu bayibona. Bazokwazi ukungena bafuna ukubona number 2 ukuthi akuske skip number 2. Uqala sizwile. Mafaka kuphela uthule bathi makunaka vele abantu.
Okay right. So okay right. I understand yo kwenzakalani but beside yo kwenzakalani ikhona enye ingoma loyenzile beside like that one.
Yeah, khona ingoma engiyenzile. Bengenza ingoma yeMofire, ngenza nenye bathimisa uPopeye. Then khona manje enye sizoshare music video abizithi uZamatsana.
So yeah, khona la ngengabana khona ku YouTube like nino DJ Sbu lapho kwenzakalani lapho kuze angazi ngibona ukuthi ngathi ku radio station like but ono DJ Sbu angitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani lapho angifuna ukuthi before asikangeni ku Endulini crew dancers but angitshele ngayo ukuthi kwenzakalani like ngoba ngibona une DJ Sbu lapho kwenzakalani.
Yabona mina into leqale ku-crew dancers yazi ba creative ama-crew dancers.
No,
yeah, I want to tell you something. Ngicela lapho kuzoyifike uJay Sbu icale ngama-crew dancers.
Okay.
Afike kimi afika kimi athi ayazi ukuthi thina creative. Then ngathi asenze i-advert yeMofire. Then ngakhuluma noJay Sbu via WhatsApp, social media wathi avuma yonke into athi akunankinga. Sayenza i-advert samthumela yonke into iceda sibiza asize ku radio station sizoyenza interview. Sikhulume naye via radio station. Masenza advert ngaye.
Okay, so let's go to the Endulini crew dancers. Manje ngifuna uku-understand kahle ngayo because of nabantu abaningi emakhaya bafuna ukuva lento engibuza yona yinto abafuna ukuyazi. So ucala nini Endulini crew dancers wena or maybe icala kanjani?
Endulini crew dancers icala 2024.
Yeah.
When I'm releasing my music video.
Yeah, icala kanjani?
Bayicala bengihlelele phansi ngasekidini esekhala suke khona nomalume. Ane labo ngumuntu ethi ngiyagive up empilweni. Then one of my crew bafika kimi bathi Vusiwe ingoma yakhe ya trend. Bathi kwenzakalani? Bathi ya trend. Mangicheka ngiyabona uma 2 million 1 million ezinye ngiyabona bathi challenge ngiyabathi bayichrome bathi ingoma le akuseyami. They stole my song bayitshontshile ingoma yami. Yabo. Then chrome bathi hayi izinivusi don't give up. Just let's make a music video. Senze music video ke lapho. Ngikwenza music video lapho ke basibiza khona ke abantu basenza broadcast into ezinjalo. Ngala kanjalo ke i-crew dancers.
Yokuthi mthambe wona bathi bakutshela bathi ingoma yakhe ya trend. Kusho bona yona.
Kusho one of my crew bafika kimi yangitshela. Kanti abantu bazofika ama crew bathi ayizi ingoma yakhe ya trend. Yabo. Siyamba 1 million. Bathi siyacheka ukuthi ingoma yami bayitshontshile eshayisela sabathi kwenzakalani into ezinjalo lapho.
Yeah. So angitshela like le crew dancers like for example ikhona indawo la practice khona.
Khona hospital la ngasekhaya vele.
Kune-shelter or
akunashelter akunanix indawo
i-ground.
hayi i-pavement indawo evulekile ngasaphandle kwey'tina zasekhaya ophuma ngenyini.
Okay, yeah, okay, right. Yeah. So, angitshela like for example, le true dancers yakho yini abantwana or maybe abantu abasaqedile isikole or maybe abantu abadala.
Hayi abantwana ama-youth abantwana abancane ama-grade 7 nama-grade 9.
Oh, bayafunda.
Yeah, amantombazane ayi-4.
So, akunamfana lapho ngamantombazane just ayi-4.
Ayi-4 akunamfana lapha yona.
Yeah. So tell me like into enhle kakhulu lo yenzako. This is a beautiful thing and you just like wenza yini uzuvule yini lekwenza ukuthi mhlawumbe for example wena ugcine like uthatha abantwana obenza ukuthi badanse kube i-crew dancer. Angitshela ngaleli gama kuqala libuye kube igama endulweni i-crew dancers.
Ukuthi ngibize igama le-crew dancers endulweni i-crew dancers ungoba ngihlala endulweni ukukhulisa ikasi endulweni babone ukuthi endulweni nginama-talent ngine-something.
Yeah.
Yabo and yenza ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngenze endulweni i-crew dancers ukuthi banginika i-motivation ukuthi don't give up empilweni. Because mina bethi ngiyagive up ngale ngoma ukuthi kuyafanele bayitshontshile ingoma ngiyafana ngiyekela.
Kusho abantwana
Kusho mina
don't give up.
Kusho mina ngithi yafana ngiyekela ngale ngoma bayitshontshile bona bathi unga-give up futhi uqhubeke phambili uzobona into zakho izophumelela. Yabo athi ngaqhubeka nami ngaya phambili namhlanje senginomhlanje.
Yeah. So angitshela like nale ndulweni i-crew dancers nike nayo ku-performa somewhere.
Yes, ngifumile sport bar performa lesiqaleni section ngifumela isasco.
Niphefomela isasco beniphefoma ini benenza dance or manikhuluma?
Bekidance bekune-sports laphana badensela isasco uma bacedile kuba ama-half time half time bayangena bayadensa half time into ezinjalo.
So awungitshele like
yena amathuba phefoma la ku-music video yami yokwenzakalani.
So awungitshele like ninayo i-uniform yale crew yale ndolweni crew dancers ukuthi mhlawumbe bakhona ukubona abantu okay nayo le group la le bathi indolweni crew dancers iphela kungobonakala nge-uniform ukuthi okay right. So ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ninayo i-uniform yokubonisa ukuthi endolweni
kwamanje singakabi ne-uniform kwamanje but sisazama ukuthi sibe nayo i-uniform kwamanje sizama ukuthi sibe nayo i-uniform but kwamanje ikipa zikhona kwamanje ikipa zawo zikhona but akuthi i-full uniform ephelele ofuna ukusiza angasiza but asekabi nayo full uniform ephelele.
Okay right. Sorry daughter ofuna ukusiza angasiza angasiza kanjani
uthi if ufuna want to donate maybe uniform abantwana lapho
angadonate kuphi awubanikeza ama-details angadonate khona samana like angazi ukuthi la angadonate khona ukuthi angadonate kuphi kanjani.
Okay, mafuna udonate angadonate ku-40 Khumalo Street endulweni or sithinte ku-064 888 105 064 888 105 or ungene kuma-social media wonke uthi endulweni crew dancers. The-email yasendulweni ithi endulweni-crew-dancers@gmail.com.
Alright, ke lapha ngakuthola khona kuma-social media nenamba yakho ayithola inamba yakho nayo WhatsApp ukuthi umuntu
yonke indawo yathola inamba yami ayifonela uya WhatsApp yonke indawo 064 888 105.
Alright, yeah. So yinto enhle kakhulu lo yenza ngovusi yinto enhle lo yenza ngovusi and then kwangathi i-group ingakhula more and more yabona but for now before siya phambili ngicela ukubuza mina bakhona abanye abantu abangenako la kule group or just ngilala bayifollow basho kuphela?
Bakhona abanye bayenza ama-request bafuna ukungena.
So what are you saying to them?
Isikade siyabafaka thina ngoba siyabafaka khona enye group beyizi-11 yabo yathi izofuna ukujayiva nathi for imofaya sapractice then mele siyenze imofaya abasizi bayaleka nabanye futhi bayafika bacele bafuna ukujayiva nathi chikchiba bafika i-group enzani bayaleka sesala sesiyi-4 yabo and then challenges esikhala ngayo ukuthi if you are inviting us wakhona i-transport wasina manje asikabi ne-transport kwamanje yithi thina asinama-funding asinama-sponsor asina-next siyazenzela ngokwethu. If you want to invite us make sure transport ikhona. Yes,
or transport ezolanda from kulomuntu not from your own pocket.
Not from own pocket. Yeah, pocket.
Okay. No, it's not a problem like that. So, ngicela kubuza ngale
number 1 into ofungishwa ne asinenje umuntu ukuthi ajoin. But inkinga ukuthi abajoinayo bayabaleka. Mase sasaba ukufaka abantu. Manje sirathi C4. Wasibona ukuthi ababayifona bona bayakwazi communicate ababonke. Sirathi yonke into sharp. ngoba laba simasipisi faka abanye abantu bayaphuma abanye bafika bayabheka
bazofaka the bad spirit bazofaka umoya omubi
abanye bafika ngokuthini sinyokoba ukuthi kwenzakalani bese bayahamba baye kwenye indawo
ba-report somewhere
ukuthi hayi ukuthi bisona so
alright into ebhedayo kunde yabona so tell me about that ngifuna uku-understanda kahle sikhane nikhuluma no-DJ Sbu lapha eradweni ku-radio 2000 akumbula nikhuluma no-DJ Sbu ku-radio 2000 so makabona ukuthi u-DJ Sbu nenza imofaya yakhe so i-advert khona uthini mara lesikana uthini like
sijabulela ukuthi uJSB ne uJSB uzobathengela amahuli everything labantwana esikhulini uniform uzobayenzela athi masifuna ukwenza i-event ngemofaya singayenza but kwamanje mabafocus esikolweni baqede ukubhala ama-exam after ama-exam yonke into ziba sey-sharp everything simthendelile everything uJSB sendele nokuthi respond everything sizwe ukuthi uthini quotation yakhe siyenzile everything yamahuli esikolweni uniform siyenzile everything nojabule uJSB ukuthi singabantwana ngabaphusha and basuka kuphi eKasi lakhe eThembisa and number 2 masifika ku-JSB kunenye amanye ama-art i2 ngisho ngabhodla igama ne bathi February bazosibiza for music video yabo kuhlala khona la eMangweni abo baphuma la eThembisa
bathi bazombiza nabo no perform ku-music video wabo
ngoba ithanda into abayenza labantwana basuka from eKasi labasuka khona
so awungitshela uma sasikhulumele just imali ke so do you get something ngaloko lokwenza or maybe manje usakwenza usazothola something after or manje you get something
manje sazothola something kwamanje sasozoza izinto
still growing
still growing kwamanje
abantu abaningi majita bangibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani kule show madoda khumbula ukuthi kule show kwenzakalani madoda kabalama uDr Sphosama wabsithi wafethu this is my SABC TikTok umnaka broadcast show khumbula ukuthi ku-YouTube ikhona bafethu but nawungena ku-Facebook vele ungena ukuthi Dr Msitini khumbula ku-YouTube uyasubscribe bese ku-TikTok you follow me also do you have my TikTok post now
thina inkinga sithola ngongena uthi elwini credence then kwenye uthi yo kwenzakalani is y o h bese kwenzakalani
so it was nice to chat with you Muse. So what about the upcoming the next one after this khona lofuna kwenza after this one
after this one ne into fungenza ukuthi abantu baqhubeke bayiphambili baqhubeke into abayenza abangagive up number 2 into engifuna i-advert angazibona abantu abayenza i-advert bajabule empilweni nabo bathi nabo into abayifunayo leyo bazibona base-TV nabo perform entorini perform kuma-advert kuyonke indawo yabo and nala motivation ukuthi wagive up empilweni never know ukuthi kusazothola
so tell me my for so like khona gig onayo this week or still waiting for the call for more bookings
this week kune-gig yaSaturday sishootha music video Saturday izolo besiri senze result izolo music video sizoyishootha eMidrand Saturday for 2 songs
for you 2 engoma for how many days only one day
uzobadenza amakhuwa mlaphaya
strong so eMidrand mara sanitholile transport kusola
yonke into khona basiprovide transport sasa bazobalanda kusasa for result bazobabona ukuthi bapractice kanjani yonke into kusasa bazosilanda sisibasuse la endulwini basifikise eMidrand siperforme lapha sibuye futhi lana bese Saturday sahamba ke sizozibiza ukufika
alright no asibonga kakhulu bafethu kamela ama-Dr Sphosama wabsithi wafethu this is my SABC TikTok bafethu mina ngizapha manje bafora
khona funa ukushiya manje ne nge-19 nginvatha nonke kuzobe kune-event ya-IMOS eParas Palace nge-19 kune-event ema-competition yokujive if you know that you're a dancer ngena laphayana information uzothola ku-IMOS epageni lakhe information yonke into ikhona laphayana so sikhona nathi ama-credentials basidensa nathi laphaya competition yokujive
bazobe kuzobe kuse-Emperor's Palace there's a 19 December or 19 December
IMOS
alright nabe mphakathi khona la crew yabo so kuyawina
lapha
unoyini
kunemali lapha kule if babunile lapha bafishara music video IMOS uzobiza for music video yakhe if yawina then uyangena ku TikTok yethu ne uthi ndine credentials une challenge esishayile ka IMOS angena lapha uthi stake Mdanso Festival the more abantu subscriber the more abantu babhiza babhala lapha stake Mdanso Festival safika ku top 50 sangena music video ka IMOS sangafika ku top 50
madoda kuqala ukuthi nimfikseni ukuthi afike kule top 50 ukuthi nimvotela Machida nokuthi bafethu nesubscribe
ngiyangena lapha ku-TikTok ukuthi Mdanso Festival hashtag Mdanso Festival ngena ku-TikTok yethu hashtag lapha Mdanso Festival ingoma ikhona lapha ka Amos siduethile ya mase ngafika ku-top 50 sangena music video
yeah danke bafethu sabonga isikhathi senu bafethu mina bafethu saphomba kanje bafethu danke bafethu chap chap